Good afternoon, Turks and Caicos. This is the 3-day public forecast for the Turks and Caicos Islands, issued on today, Wednesday, April 1st, 2026, by the TCI National Weather Service. General situation: a deep ridging pattern settling over the region will support generally stable and breezy conditions across the Turks and Caicos Islands, with a few passing showers possible later today. Special warnings: there is a moderate to high risk of overtopping waves along seawalls and coastal roads along Atlantic exposed shorelines. A high risk of dangerous, life-threatening rip currents and rough surf remains along all Atlantic exposed beaches. Beachgoers and swimmers should avoid entering the waters along all northern, eastern, and Atlantic exposed shorelines. A small craft advisory remains in effect for Atlantic waters. Weather: partly to mostly sunny with isolated showers possible this afternoon. Partly cloudy with a few passing showers possible this evening. Winds northeast to east at 15 to 25 knots with higher gusts. Seas slight to moderate with wave heights of 4 to 6 feet in the Caicos Bank, moderate to rough with wave heights of 5 to 7 feet near shore, building up to 10 to 11 feet offshore and northeasterly swells in Atlantic waters. Daytime high temperature 84 degrees, overnight low temperature 73 degrees. Sunset 7:03 p.m. Next low tide 3:01 p.m. Next high tide 9:14 p.m. Extended forecast: strong high pressure will remain in places across the area into the weekend, maintaining breezy to windy conditions and rough seas through the remainder of the week, before winds and seas gradually subside over the weekend. Meanwhile, a developing low-level trough interacting with an upper-level disturbance will bring cloudiness and increased chance of showers from Friday night into early next week. Thursday, partly sunny with a high near 84 degrees. Thursday night, isolated showers possible, mostly fair with a low around 73 degrees. Winds northeast to east at 15 to 20 knots with higher gusts. Seas slight to moderate wave heights of 4 to 6 feet in the Caicos Bank, moderate to rough with wave heights of 4 to 7 feet near shore, building up to 10 feet offshore and northeasterly swells in the Atlantic waters. Sunrise 6:40 a.m., sunset 7:03 p.m. Low tides 2:34 a.m., 3:41 p.m., with high tides at 9:31 a.m. and 10 p.m. On Friday, isolated showers possible in the afternoon, partly sunny. Winds northeast to east at 10 to 20 knots. Seas slight with wave heights of 2 to 4 feet in the Caicos Bank, moderate to rough wave heights of 4 to 6 feet near shore, building up to 8 feet offshore and northeasterly swells in Atlantic waters. Sunrise 6:39 a.m., sunset 7:04 p.m. Low tides 4:23 a.m. and 4:20 p.m. with high tides at 10:14 a.m. and 10:45 p.m. That is the 3-day weather forecast issued on today, Wednesday, 1st April 2026 by the TCI National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday. Thank you.